All right, good morning. Welcome to Mountain Park. This is up the Poudre Canyon. This is site number 3. And entrance-wise, here, I'll spin around. Entrance-wise, it's paved all the way up here to the site. Site number 3, you got number 2 is here. It's a nice long pull through, and then number 1 is right back. Actually, it's not what you see back here. That's the host. There's a site right through here. Right before it is number 1. So here, number 1, number 2, and you're getting ours number 3. Number 3 is 40 feet long, so it's actually a long, nice long site. Lots of trees around, which is really nice. Got a little bit of mountains behind you. But yeah, just lots of trees. It's a actual gravel on each side here. Goes back, nice picnic table, fire pit back here in the back side, kind of little private area, which is pretty cool. No cell phone service, at least for Verizon. We didn't have any cell phone service, so nothing for us. Here's the kind of the back end of it. We can only get so far back due to the block. There's a block that's down underneath here. But it's pretty level too. I didn't have to use the Anderson blocks at all. It is very level. It does have the 30 amp hookup here, 30 amp 15. So that's nice. No water, nothing like that. Yeah, so there you go. That's it's really site number 3. Here's a couple things. I will show you a little drone footage here. So you can take a look at that, and then while this is flying around, notice that, yeah, there's lots. I mean, it's just gorgeous around here with the trees, the mountains all around. You got the river, Poudre River. You can hear that. It's its own nature sound. It's just lovely. And then here, I'll switch over in just a second. I'll fly over by the playground. So it's got some sand, what used to be a volleyball. There's no net up right now, but the kids love playing in it. And then also there's a little bitty playground that's close by. Nothing for the dogs, nothing like that, but you still can bring them, have them on a leash, walk them around. But yeah, there you go. Site number 3, along with what I showed you at the beginning, number 2, number 1, but ours, site number 3. There you go. Enjoy. Here you have a nice little hike right down from the campsite. Literally, I mean, you can walk from number 2, number 3 there, right up this trail. Yeah, it's got nice views. But boy, I think the fire did a number on this particular location, because I don't recall all these trees. Last time we were here last year, I don't recall this many trees being down at all. I mean, it's just such a shame, but part of nature. It'll grow. And here we go. We'll go on up. Show you a little more in just a little bit. Butterfly.
I do have a bunch of walks.
You do?
So look how many. I like you see those. The signs down there.
I know. Try here. This was part we wanted to go to.
It will even higher with their dogs.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa!
I know.
Do you think you could throw up under the river?
Nope. Couldn't throw a rock to the river from here.
I bet I could.
All right, so from this point, you can actually continue that direction and it'll take you on up to Mount McConnell. You can go up, there's a fork in the road, it goes on up one way and then another, and it can take you on up to Mount McConnell. It's actually not too bad of a hike. It's a pretty good one. So, all right, take care. Catch you next time.